If you wonder if Redmi Note 14s does have fingerprint sensor, let me quickly tell you. As you go into the settings and take a look at all of these settings, you will be able to find the fingerprints, face data and screen lock. This basically tells us that there is the fingerprint on the Redmi Note 14s. Now I will quickly show you where this fingerprint sensor is located, and as we go for the fingerprint, let's go there real quick and try to add another fingerprint. We can find that this fingerprint sensor is available just right here on this downside of the screen, as you can see. And yeah, there is this outline for the fingerprint sensor. You can see it right here. And also, if you have your screen locked, you will be also able to find this outline that you can put your finger right here to unlock your phone. And the same thing applies on the lock screen. Here is this little circle which shows you the place for the fingerprint sensor. So yeah, fingerprint sensor is there indeed, and also is located on this side, on this part of the screen.